Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Today's plumbing adventure, connecting a washer and dryer on a newly finished renovation. Are you a service company still taking phone numbers by pencil and paper? If you are, you gotta check out House Call Pro. This app is super friendly for the service-minded business like myself who's on the run. Take the customer's information, address, etc., directions to the job time arrival, start time and finish time, and of course invoicing, all at the touch of a phone. Check it out in the link below, housecallpro.com/Chuck Barron. In the link below, get your free demo, and if you use that demo, it's $19 for the first month. It is a game changer. You will not be disappointed. We will see you at the job. Alright, let's get this hooked up in here. Washer and dryer getting hooked up. Gas dryer and flex. This is it. Tight quarters on this. Look at that little blind, dude.
Nice, huh? Check that out.
They're so cute. I'll hook up a gas dryer. Really tight quarters.
Got the tape. Now, what happened there? Kicked off the end of that.
Alright, we're gonna make it work.
Yeah. Now I got crimpers and
I
everything.
got a crimper. We can crimp this right on, brother.
All right.
The gas. Alright, all you plumbers out there, how come a dryer does not need a drip tee? I don't know. And on these special adapters, we have 3/8 on the interior. I went here for JB. Crimp this 90. Crimp that real good, re-crimp it. Yep. This laundry room is super tight, boys and girls. Too tight for my liking.
Other side too, right?
Pardon me?
The other side too?
No, just one side.
Yeah.
Okay. Big gas flex, please. I'm going to roll here. What is, Charles? What is it? Don't cross thread it. And we're going extra long flex here for the tightness of the quarters. I hurt my fingers somehow, Charles. Does anybody care? Next trip out of the truck, grab the bubbles.
Okay.
Alright, we'll test this gas. Can I rag too, please? Just when you thought
Now I have to run again if I.
we get a secret little bubble tester.
Bitch, what am I gonna do with you?
What'd you forget?
I'll tell you what.
He forgot everything.
This is one of them jobs. When you do your gas line, Chuck, you always check for leaks. Mr. Let that sit. That looks good. That looks good. As you see here, we got a damaged fitting outside. So we're going to make this to make this work.
Are you talking to yourself again?
We're going to hook up a gas dryer for the goon. Isn't that pretty?
This? You tape it or?
I think I will tape it. Oh, you know what I should use here? Too late now. I used a clamp on the other one, didn't I?
Yeah.
Get that big clamp.
Yeah, I used tape on this. I'll tell you what, this tape is nice. Oops. Screw gun, Chucky. Okay. Prepare this 90, this way I can put everything, just put it together in my country. Clean your dryer, take it off them. Hold that for me. Let's tell him crispy.
You know these are cushion closed toilet seats, right?
Yep.
When did you change the ones upstairs on like that?
George is special.
What are you telling them?
How many tools we use today? This is just for a simple, stupid finish. I'm gonna put a screw into this joker. Let me see it speed screw, Chucky, baby. In my country. In my country. Here we go, Charles. Bang. I like it. If anybody out there can find a better dryer system, you let me know in the comments below. Because put one in the gun, Chucky. Thank you. Alright, there we go, Chuck. Put one in. Now, what I want to do here is I want to loop this up like so. Alright, so it doesn't get jammed up. Maybe we'll do a little wire tie on this joker here. Washing machine time. Come on, come on, be nice. Be nice to Daddy.
Sometimes they use it, sometimes.
I don't like these hoses at all. Stainless steel vinyl coated. Kind of weird feeling.
Yeah, they do.
I was getting this together.
You don't need this never anymore. Solution.
Today's Yeah, all gas stuff is doing it. Oh, that was, it came with it.
You want it?
Oh, we'll leave it in the washer. Thank you. Everything comes pre-tested for the plumber. Okay, that's great. Hand me a pair of pliers, son. There we go, CB. Here we go. Boom.
I work during the day. I have to do it real quick. You have all night.
There we go. Push the dryer back where it goes. Let's get this over here. Come back slowly. Now we plug it in. Plugged in. Oh, you know what I'll do? I like that already. Alright, go ahead. Oh, easy, easy. On the thing, dude. On the thing. Come on, keep coming real slow. Hold on. Keep coming. That's it right there. That's it. Now.
Okay. Then I'll close up.
Huh? Oh, pull the blankie out. What a tight laundry room. Jesus Christmas. A little more. Alright, there's good.
How are you gonna get out?
Hot goes to hot, Charles.
I can feel that. Are you half sending?
I mean,
Are you half sending or full sending today?
is that a millennial statement? What does that mean? Huh?
You're definitely quarter sending right now.
Quarter. What does that mean? I'm the quarterback? Yes, I'm the quarterback.
Some Ron lingo.
What?
Some Ron lingo.
Uh-oh.
3 p.m.
It is 10 minutes to 11.
You want to?
Right there. Right there is all I need. This is awesome. Where's my wire tie?
I don't know. It's supposed to be back there. Put it on the shelf right there.
Yeah? Oh, there it is. You don't want the hose to pop out. Now I'm gonna turn the water on.
Here.
Good job, Secret. In my country, we use the snips. All right, cold water's coming on. Cold water's on. Hot water's on. Let's plug it in. Boom. Ready? Lift it up. Up. Thank you. Boom. And boom. Don't scratch the floor. Oh! Not a lot of room in here. That's as far as you get the dryer back. Sorry.
Some of the stuff outside. Like the box down there.
What's that, Charles?
I like start putting stuff in there.
And start. most important part. Make sure that joker doesn't overflow. Handy dandy zip tie so the hose don't pop out. Did we get her done?
Yep.
And?
What is our customer what?
And there goes what?
What's our customer?
And there goes what? Another satisfied what?
Customer.
Not any more enthusiasm.
There you go, you got it. Don't you stop asking.
CB2. The washer and dryer is complete. I am no fan of doing dryer exhaust. If you have any suggestions on a better way to vent a gas dryer, let me know, because to me, every time we do it, it's a wrestling match. In the comments below, give a brother some help. Am I missing some easy way to do this? I don't think I am, but maybe I am. I'm here to learn too. Anyway, we got it done, and we will see you at the next one. Have a great day.